The road is not just a path, but an untamed adventure, where speed meets precision, and where every turn is a test of courage. The co-driver's voice, a lifeline in the chaos, guides the driver through the unknown. Their trust, a bond forged through adrenaline and split-second decisions. It's a sport where diversity is its heartbeat, a symphony of gravel, dirt and snow, demanding skills at every twist and turn, where technical mastery meets the unpredictability of nature, where drivers become heroes and where the world becomes a stage for this adrenaline-fueled symphony. Bravery and unlimited passion.
That one, yeah, we did good on
10-12.
20-second improvement.
22.